This rotating boat lift is the only one of its kind in the world, capable of lifting boats 25 meters into the air. It was built to connect two canals with a large height difference and opened in Scotland in 2002. After its completion, the Falkirk Wheel quickly became a major attraction, drawing more than 500,000 visitors each year. But the truly impressive part is the engineering behind it, completed at a cost of $1 million. The structure is so brilliantly designed that it can lift and lower boats weighing tons in just 35 minutes. And thanks to the perfectly balanced water chambers on both sides, the wheel used only 1.5 kg of energy per rotation. That means lifting and lowering boats consumes about the same amount of energy as running just 8 electric kettles.